Everybody, it's Sharmel. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be recreating this purple smoky eye by Msbentivegas on Instagram. So let's get started. So as usual, I'm starting with my brows done and my eyelids primed, and I'm going to be using this box of crayons eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to use the color tan, and I'm just going to start working that into my crease. Well, not even my crease, but just placing that as my transition color, just doing windshield motions back and forth across my eyelid space. Next, I'm going to go into the color brown, and I'm going to start working that into my crease, doing small circular motions, and again going back and forth across my eyelid space. Now I'm going to use this deep plum color, and I'm going to start working that into my crease and just deepening and defining my crease even more. And I'm just using a smaller blending brush. And I took my time doing this. I feel like I built this color up for a while, and I kind of went back and forth building the crease with the deep plum and then blending it out with the brown color. Now I'm going to go into the color purple, and I'm going to start applying that over my eyelid space where I don't have shadow. So I'm just taking a brush and patting it onto my eyelid. Next, I'm going to just cut the center of my eyelid a little bit, just like a little half circle right in the middle of my eyelid. Then I'm going to go into the color violet, which is more of a more vibrant purple, and it's also glittery, and I'm just going to pat that right into that concealer where I cut my crease a little bit, and this is just going to add a little pop and dimension to the different purples. And then I'm just going to go back in with that first purple shade and just make sure that everything is blended out seamlessly and there aren't any harsh lines. Now I'm going to go into this lavender highlighter. It's by NYX. It's one of the dual chrome highlighters, and it looks a bit white and frosty like when I hold it up on camera, but it's definitely lavender on the skin. So I'm just applying that into my inner corner just as a pop. And then I added liner and lashes off camera. And I also did the rest of my face. I did my regular simple face. All the products listed for my face will be listed down below if you guys are interested in what I used. So now I'm going back in with that lavender highlighter because she did have like a lavender highlight going on. My camera's not picking it up that well, but it was definitely like a pretty lavender color. Again, this is still the NYX Duo Chrome highlighter, and I'm just applying that on the highs of my cheekbones. You can also go in like with your fingers and pat it on if you want like more of a vibrant color, but I still wanted this to be you know, kind of daytime wearable. And now I'm just going back into my eyelids and adding a little bit more because I feel like it was kind of fading in a little bit. So yeah. I also took some more of Plum and I just put that on my lower lash line. I also added some black eyeliner in my waterline, and then I also put some mascara on my bottom lashes. Then to finish this look off, I'm just going to do one of my signature nude lips. So I'm starting by blinding my lips with my favorite dark brown lip pencil, and then I'm going to use MAC Yash, and I topped it off with the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb, and that is going to be the final look. I had a lot of fun recreating this look. It wasn't exactly like hers, but definitely similar, and I just love the way that the purple looked on the eyes. So again, thank you all for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you ladies next time.